Hey, Grandma Lou is back. Guys, I am about to embark on a new journey with my NutriBullet Pro juicer here. And we're going to make an Orchard Dawn juice. It contains 4 apples, which I started peeling one here, and 2 pears, a half a lemon squeezed, and 1 teaspoon of maple syrup. This Orchard Dawn is full of energy. It's an energy boost. It has vitamin C, vitamin B3, and folate, calcium, iron, magnesium, manganese, and it benefits our skin, our mucous membranes, the blood, the bones, and the muscles, and the nervous system. And what's so funny to me is that as I am getting wiser and wiser, one of these fun, as I embark on my adventures here with food, I like these gadgets. My mom, funny quick story, my mom used to sell Tupperware. And so she had all of these different storage containers and different magnets on the refrigerator and all these different kitchen gadgets. And I never imagined that Grandma Lou would one day be in the same manner and start collecting gadgets. You see this nice little pillar? It is so awesome to have a pillar for your vegetables. You know, I'm used to peeling vegetables with the knife, but this pillar is just, it's really easy peasy. And then I even have for my lemon, I have this little squeezer here. So I'm like really getting into collecting these gadgets. So I'll come back, I'll finish peeling my apples and pears and come back and we can get into the juicing. All right, so we are back. We have our apples and pears all washed and peeled and cored. And so we're just gonna go ahead and put them in our juicer here. And one thing I failed to say is that I did use the turbo setting. There's a low, high, and turbo setting. So I did add it on the turbo setting. And then our last add, so I did the apples and the pears. And so I have a half squeeze lemon here. And I added the 1 teaspoon of the maple syrup. I'm just gonna pour that in last. And it looks like we have about 25 ounces. So I'm gonna do a low setting just to get the last remnant. Okay. And it looks like we have a nice, about 25 ounces of juice. And I'm gonna just give it a quick stir. And do a taste test. Mmm. Okay, homemade juice. Man, and just like that, another healthy treat, amazing drink, or something to eat from Grandma Lou. Make sure you comment, like, share, and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Until next time.